Yes, so waiting they happen. My name is Rimona Diana. They here with MC Dab.
Yes, MC Dab, the Odogo one of Nigeria. Now, where they don't turn into UAR, I don't know what Odogo one of Nigeria. I'm looking at it like that.
Okay, well, I don't hear I'm heading. They when I carry come on a side, he said that for Federal Ministry of Interior, where be marriage registry for Edo State, that is Kasala for happen.
Oh, wow.
You can imagine.
And the girls are angry.
No, they don't only the girls. They don't vex.
Over vacillation.
You can imagine say couple don't plan their wedding day, don't invite guests from far and wide. People who travel come from Abuja, from everywhere. They don't put some people for hotel, don't cook.
Spend a lot of money.
Spend a lot of money. Say when they go do their wedding vows, they're going to look for registrar. Where registrar go? That would they find soon.
I don't understand because the way things they be now, as this country don't they upside down, our president self don't they upside down, everywhere don't they upside down. Somebody don't arrange everything. They come talk say they use torchlight.
They look for what they call a registrar. You know where he say they go?
No, I don't know.
There's a registrar. Go do a burial.
Burial.
Leave his seat vacant.
He don't know. Say he go do burial. That time where those people fix a meeting.
The thing tire me because the thing is unbecoming. Because you can imagine. They want tell me say they're not as you go do burial. The ministry go they stand still.
You know the problem is say we get for this country a lot of people waiting for posts like that. They get this nonchalant attitude. We have lack of maintenance attitude. Now they talk because not be only one person. Because if you did post now, if you be manager, go get assistant manager. If you director, you get assistant director.
That is
so if this man will be saying now they supposed to conduct the main wedding, he's supposed to get assistant. We're supposed to know everything. Okay, they go burial. He's supposed to don't tell people where there for that ministry talk. Say I'm not go there around for that main thing. Making a look for somebody we're supposed to conduct them, so that if I don't come out, that person go conduct them. So now the making they pay me say because I won't put myself inside the shoe of those couples.
Like the girl. The matter type of bar pack wear gele we get chuku. You can imagine.
You know, with the way the vestation we say, they look at the party. I want to just imagine how the thing go be. Say now they don't organize. Say okay, everybody they travel. It come be like say the same day when they want to do that wedding, coco. Now everybody come land to the venue. Then they can't reach all. They can't reach that military. They don't lock up. Me as a husband, see what an husband I don't look. The door no dey lock. He don't dey lock. Waiting to happen. You can't shout. Everybody not on the inside that place, that military. As that day so, everybody don't come follow that man. Go bury her too. I'm a wahala go happen. I not go lie to you. Now because we this kind of country, no law dey. And because for overseas, for developed country, you don't try this kind of thing. You don't even do them. Because if you try them, I not go lie to you. Either you're president, if you kill somebody dog, you go pay. Now so it be. But now anybody if you do anything because they think they get power. Now waiting this.
Because I not see the reason why the registrar. Because in as much okay, maybe if they on a leave, you get there must be somebody where we say well as he not take. We go take her place or he place. So what you make they can't leave everybody as the registrar not there, everybody can't leave the seat vacant. And they know say they don't already give nothing for registry, everybody go take all these marriage couple go take their date.
Yes,
and they know say they don't already give out that particular date. You get me? Okay, fine. As the person the registrar say now he must be the person who go do the marriage vow and all everything. Okay, why not communicate to them?
No, but the problem is the informate where we say we not get the cocoa informate. If everybody come out for that place where they conduct wedding, because if all of them follow this man go in burial, now problem. Because may I tell you something? How this country don't spoil rich now. Say doing that how we do NIN, where we reach a place where we want to. Can you imagine? They say we contribute money for fuel so that they go use print.
You can imagine.
To tell you how wahala don tell you. So if this man now leave post tell me say they can't tell me they can't give me Jack and Boo story. Say somebody rat kill donkey can't kill rat. Say the man not dead there. No, they don't fit conduct the wedding. You go see wetin go happen now.
You see, even for the place, because you go see, because at times I say the couple they quickly call television station to come video everything. You get me?
Yes,
everybody, as you go see
everything for die there now.
As in,
everything. Wetin dey talk? Nobody for this country. Now somebody wey.
Moreover, now wetin the government or the state governor go talk about that nonchalant behaviour
my dear.
For the registrar.
My dear,
because now, do you know that the expenses wey that man, the cost of expenses wey the man spend.
Yes, now the thing now.
Food.
What about the transport of those people wey come
that
there?
Is it. Lodging, everything. So who wan pay?
Nobody go pay because
nobody.
I dey tell you something. Because for this country, nobody, no law. Now somebody wey get power, now get everything.
So you want them to say, the state governor no go chook mouth for this matter?
Which governor? Which governor? What of if say that the person wey go bury her dey related to the governor? Wait, you say anything go happen? Nothing go happen.
So that's why this our country can't just come be like that. That's why our country can't just come reduce to that level where we say everyone go just dey misbehave.
You never
everyone go just dey misbehave.
Na so.
Why?
You go read the situation say somebody will come your house tell you say make you pack comot for your bed say you wan use your bed.
Hey, for our country, what did they call the country name again?
I don't know. na so.
Oh God, I don't forget this country name. I mean, somebody help me remember this name because this country name I dey forget am.
If this country get leader, you know say to tell you how matter don be say because they talk say they don suspend somebody for 1 week they talk say make dem ban Twitter. See Trump wey dey ban for 2 years nothing happen.
They even ban Trump for everywhere. Facebook,
nothing happen no. Now you come to that same country wey they talk say because they ban somebody for 1 week say make Nigeria block something. The ordinary wedding wey that man come go bury. But see, me our
time just too went to we don't do our time. So I don't even say this country now God go help this country.
I'm telling you.
Now God that go help this country because this country will not know where this country they go. Because I will not go follow this country go that wrong way. We go the citizen
yes.
will go the right way.
Yes,
So from here we they say bye bye.
Bye bye.